Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video I will also tell you how you can fix call log not appearing or contact name not appearing in call log. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write your comments, be sure to put your likes under this video. And let's get started. So friends, let me show you the whole process from the very beginning. And if you're having this problem, first of all, friends, go to Settings on your device. And then scroll down a little bit and go to the Apps option or App Management. Then go to the list of all the apps that you have on your device. And now enter the word phone in the search box. Select it. Next, you'll need to go to storage here first. And here you will need to clear the cache and clear the storage. Once you've done these steps, go back to the phone settings and select permissions here. In permissions, you'll have a list of different permissions. Go to each one of them. And if you have this one enabled, then switch it to allow. And so in absolutely every permission that you have. If that doesn't solve your problem, then go back to the settings. And here you will need to scroll through and find the Accounts option, or you can search for the word Account or Account Management. Once you find these options on your Android, scroll down to the bottom. And here you will see the mails that are associated with your phone. Choose the one that has your contacts in it. Click on it, and then select this option. Synchronize. And then after synchronization, just look for the word contacts. If you don't have it disabled, then you will need to enable it to activate synchronization of contacts from your Google account to your phone. That's how you can fix call log not appearing or contact name not appearing in call log on your Android. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.